Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this tutorial, I'm gonna guide you through how you can change the train skin on Township. To change the train skin in Township, first of all, open up your Township game on your device and make sure you reach out to this page. Here, expand through your town's board and you will be able to see your train station there in front. Tap on the train in front of your board and this will take you to train station. Now select your train that you want to change the skin of and you will see this change skin button. Tap on that and then choose the skin you want to apply from the available options. Keep in mind that some skins might only be available through special events or purchases, so make sure to go ahead and take part in events to unlock new skins and outfits on Township. Choose the skin for your train and click on Use. And there you have successfully changed your train's skin on Township. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more Township tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Stay tuned till then.